Thanks for clicking on this quick video, which is about the Wilwood disc brake conversion kit or upgrade kit for the VW Beetle 4-stud. So the star of the show, the aluminium bodied anodized Wilwood caliper, which has got twin pots, so 2 pistons on there for maximum braking power. Beautiful piece of kit, they look lovely there with the logo, nice and lightweight as well. Along from those, we've got the SSP drop spindles. So these move the wheel further up into the wheel arch by 2.5 inches. So we'll lower the front end of the Beetle without having to adjust the front axle. What you will find, and you'll notice, is it will push the wheels out by 1/2 inch each side. So just take a note on that, just to work out with your wheels and tyre choices. You may want to go with a narrowed beam as well, just to counteract some of that increase. Alongside these, we've got the Zimmermann cross-drilled brake discs there in their coating, so anti-corrosion coating. These are drilled, so that helps with dissipating the heat, so reduce brake fade, and also reduce brake dust as well from your pads. Lastly, we've got Mylar wheel bearings, which you'll need obviously to go in the discs, and we've also got a pair of Mylar brake hoses as well, so you're connecting onto those calipers. So if you're looking to sort out the front end of your Beetle, increase your braking power, and sort the stance as well, this is absolutely the kit for you.